Hello, Miss Jane for North Castle Public Library Science Lab, and today we're going to talk pumpkins. I'm going to read a fun book, and we're going to make a nice craft, and we'll learn a little bit about pumpkins along the way. So the book I have today is Pumpkins by Ken Robbins. It's a favorite of mine. This book is published by Roaring Brook Press. At that time of year, when the air has turned cool, the corn stalks have turned brown, and the leaves are falling, splashing their color on the ground, and the geese are flying, and the crows are calling from the empty fields, it seems there are pumpkins everywhere. Wow, look at all those. But the story of the pumpkin begins in the spring, when the farmer plants her seeds in the ground. And here she is. The first small leaves come up in 10 days or so, and in just a few weeks, the vines spread out and flower buds begin to show. The buds open up and the flowers appear. At the base of a flower, the pumpkin begins to grow. It's green at first, but it soon changes color. Wow, we're learning a lot of facts about pumpkins from this book. At the height of summer, full-sized pumpkins are hidden among the vines. As the summer passes, the vines are cleared away, and a patchwork of pumpkins can be seen on the ground. Pumpkins grow in any number of colors and shapes and sizes. The ones we know best are bright orange and more or less round, but many kinds are yellow, tan, green, or even blue. Some are round, but some of them are kind of flattened or squashed, you might say. Some are so small they fit in your hand. Others are positively huge. People hold contests to see who can grow the biggest ones. The gigantic pumpkin on the forklift weighs over 1,000 pounds. Wow. Many farms will let you go out in their fields to pick your own pumpkin right off the vine. You must pay for it first, of course, and then you take it home. For Halloween, it's traditional to carve your pumpkin into a jack-o'-lantern. You'll need a pen or a marker that erases easily. Draw a face, happy or scary, whatever you like. Then get an adult to cut all around the top with a saw or a knife. Remove the top, and with your hands or a scoop, you can scrape out the guts inside, the seeds and the wet membrane that holds them. Then get that adult to cut out the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. Once the jack-o'-lantern is carved, put it out on your steps at night, or in your window, or in some other safe place. Put a candle inside and light it. It will look quite nice. On Halloween, everyone dresses up for trick-or-treat. Ghosts and goblins walk the streets, and pumpkins are a part of the scene. By November, the pumpkins are mostly gone, picked for jack-o'-lanterns or pumpkin pie. The few that are left will die on the vine, eaten by animals, or left to rot. Their seeds will survive, at least some of them will, to make more pumpkins the following year. Okay, we got a lot of pumpkin facts from this book. That was a good one. I hope you liked it as much as I do. Okay, so now for our craft, we're going to make those jack-o'-lanterns without the knives and the saws, with paper. And you're going to be as imaginative and creative as you like in making your pumpkin faces. We have 3 pumpkin shapes and colors here, even a blue pumpkin, and an assortment of facial features like this. And you're just going to choose the face you want to make from all the pieces here. It's a little bit like a Mr. Potato Head. Let's see. On this pumpkin, I'm going to put a big kind of Dracula type mouth. And I'm just going to go crazy on this one. These eyes And how about a nose? Okay, let's get a triangle in there. Let's put a traditional nose in. Oh, he is funny looking. And I'm going to give him his stalk because I think that's important. And there he is. So I hope you have fun designing some imaginative, fun, scary, happy pumpkins.